Hi everybody, Mike Heatherman coming back to you. This is part 2 of a continuing series. I'm a certified kitchen designer by trade, but mostly I'm a consumer's advocate, and lately we've been studying the behavior of a home for the consumer. We're trying to figure out what the future consumer really needs, and we've been studying things like acoustics in part 1 and talking about what that means and how sound affects the home. What we're going to talk about now is the idea of reflectivity. And again, it's this idea that we have these spaces that are getting bigger and more open, and we haven't really thought about what reflection means. So when I say reflectivity, if you look here, you'll notice this plate. You can see how it's reflecting off of the Zodiac countertop compared to how it reflects off of the Corian. What's happening is light's going into the Corian and dissipating a lot better than it is in the Zodiac. It doesn't mean that one product's better than another. But what really matters is, again, going back to our consumer, because where we work here at Willis, we're always focused on the why. Why does it matter? So why does this idea of reflectivity matter? Well, let me tell you why. I believe personally that as we age and as our eyes get more sensitive to light, materials are going to be affecting how we behave. This is why we believe we're seeing this really large trend coming out of Europe today where everything is going to matte finishes. And it's being used in flooring and in wall coverings and in different materials, fabrics. We're seeing more towards this matte finish. We're seeing the same thing in horizontal and vertical surfaces. Again, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy Zodiac or you shouldn't buy Corian. This is just about educating your buyer. What we're trying to do is make sure the consumer is able to make an educated choice, to understand the differences between materials and the effects. In my case, in my own personal home, we had an issue around reflectivity because we had can lights or pot lights shining down onto our countertop, and when you sat down to eat a meal, you actually had reflection coming back up into your eyes. And in fact, right here, right now, I'm getting that same effect here, versus if I just step over here with the Corian, I don't have that effect. Again, it doesn't mean pick this over this, just be aware and help our consumers understand the reasons why we believe what we believe. So reflectivity is a huge issue going forward. It's a wonderful thing to have all this natural light and beautiful new lighting in our homes, but we have to be careful how those lights reflect off of different materials. So please keep that in mind as you continue to work with your consumers. And thanks for spending some time with me.